What's going on, guys? Gary Aman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody feeling safe and is fine. Let's begin right away. I got very exciting news. This right here is my very first Batis lens. If you know Batis lenses or Batis lenses, I'm not even sure how to call that. But this brand from Zeiss, you know, it's a very prestige like lens brand, and you know, I'm very excited. As you see, this has all stickers and stuff on it because this is a returned item, and some shops out there, they sell returned items for a very low price, and this is one of them. So let's unbox it together. So the box itself is quite damaged, so let's put that aside. It slips out like this, and oh, excited. Voor diesen moment arbeiten wir. This is the moment we work for. Alright. Wow. Oh. Ooh. Congratulations. Okay, thank you. Wow. Okay. The lens hood is quite large. And this is, by the way, the 18mm f2.8. Look at this. What's this? It's nothing. Let's put that aside, guys. Let's put these things all on the side. Wow, this is actually really lightweight. Ooh. Wow, this is a very fancy lens cap. Nice little weather sealing gasket. It's blue. Oh, got a little plastic thingy here. Let's remove that. Let's put it aside. Little LCD screen. Wow. Dang. Look at this, guys. Whew. Zeiss 2.818 77 filter thread. Wow. Cool, man. Let's put the lens hood on it. Made in Japan, even though everything was in German. Cool. Let's switch things up and see how it looks. Boom. Alright, this is now the 18mm f2.8 from the Batis lens, the Batis lens. I also saw a little cool thing that I want to show you, but I'm not sure how I'm going to show you that. But how does this look? I look very skinny, man. I look like a little boy or something with this lens. Cool, man. Cool. Alright, so far I'm liking how the lens looks. The feel of the lens is very lightweight, very cool. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you something and show you some pictures as well, just to have a first impression kind of thing. So far I'm really excited. I'm curious how this goes, and do some landscapes and stuff like that. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm now really close, but I want to show you something. And what I wanted to show you is that when you put this lens on a camera and you put the camera on, this is what you will see. Like so. Cool, right? It says Zeiss. But then it goes off. So in order to see anything on it, you have to put it on manual focus. And once you put it on manual focus, then you see that LCD screen popping up. And that is really cool, man. But once you put it on a different focal focus mode, then it goes off again. So that's quite cool, man. So yeah. Alright, that's all. So if you want to see the full review, subscribe to the channel, and I will be doing some landscapes, some cityscapes, and just some just a all round of things. Nothing professionally, just having fun with photography and filming stuff, right? Alright, that's all, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. this look, my friends.